going to now have a look at using a guide plate in the forward facing method. So as before, when I've climbed up, I've made sure I've kept my ropes in parallel. I haven't turned around or twisted them. I've made sure I haven't done that when I've built the belay as well. So then I've made myself safe and I've loaded the guide plate, this time with the teeth facing forward and the rhino crab at the back. And I've got my two colour-coded carabiners on there for my clients. One for the outside client and the middle client. You can see I've clipped between myself and the guide plate. So at that point, I'm going to shout down I'm safe. I then take the rope in, again making sure that the rope goes over the top of my belay rope. And as they give me that "that's me" shout, I'm going to drop the rope under my hand, create a bite, and push that into the guide plate. So now we're ready for the clients to climb. Both of my clients have now reached the belay and we need to get them clipped in and safe. Again, because I'm going to be focusing on maybe too many things, I'm going to safeguard that central client so that I can become hands-free, a bit more hands-free. There we go. I'm going to start from the outside in, and that's fairly critical, I would say, to avoid any confusion. It's a bit like going to a very posh banquet and remembering which bit of the cutlery you need to pick up with which course. My mother will be very pleased I've remembered. So we're going to pop a clove hitch into here. Now then, this is the bit where people make mistakes, because intuitively you want to go into there. The problem with that is the blue rope is then over the top of the green, so we have a cross. Not great. So what I need to do here, pick up the outside client's rope, hold it up and get this rope underneath. I'm bypassing the rhino basically. That loop will drop out and the blue rope will then be underneath. It's almost like magic. So can you now see both of the client's ropes are running over the top. They're clean from each other, and at this point either client could leave the stance. If the route's going off to the right, this client could go first, or this client could go first, because the ropes are running cleanly over the top.